Welcome back, part two. This is part two of the level of the Briggs Stratton 5.5 horsepower. So now I've got this carburetor taken off. You got your linkage off. Sure that's clean too, so that it doesn't gum up the linkage. Then you get your carburetor out and take the two screws out. They're right here, 7mm, and then you're gonna have to take a tiny screwdriver, pry it open a little bit. There's an O-ring. Take that off, clean that out, make sure it's clear. And then this is your float. Take your screwdriver again, carefully pry right here and right there to pop that up. Gently lift that up, and that's your float and your needle there that controls your float. So the amount of fuel that sits in here, this goes up and down and controls the amount of fuel come in. Set that aside. Then you can take your screwdriver and you carefully pry in here, and you'll see this clip here, and pop that open. Then you can take this out and clean it. Clean in there, spraying in there, and it should come out of here a little bit and spray here and clean out. And this one here, not sure yet. I gotta play with it here. And then I took my sprayer, brake clean, or carb cleaner, and cleaned down in there and here and there. There's 3 ports. To help understand this better, so the first hole goes on this side, comes out of here, this little hole. And then opening the choke, there's another hole. I know you can't see it in the camera here, but let me see here. But it's right down there where the screwdriver is pointing at. There's a little hole, and fuel comes there for certain levels, choke, richness, engine condition, and so this is kind of sometimes the cripple problem in the carburetor, is this orifice tubing control here. Let's see here. See if I can take this open. There's a little bit of a gap right there. I know I got dirty right there, so we'll have to clean it off. And see if we can see where I'm saying, where you can see it comes out of there, so that's good, and then cleans out, comes out of there. And it's kind of, but I believe there's a tiny little orifice right in here. Okay, I'm getting a little bit dirty there. We'll have to clean my gloves off. It's moving up just a little bit. Well, I'll make sure that this little tiny jigger isn't plugged up. It's just a little bit tedious for here, a little bit. Squeaky little sucker. See those little holes? Yeah, little tiny holes. Sometimes they can be plugged up, but looks like we're looking pretty good here. And we can do a quick little blast. Make sure everything's cool. Yep. Weird, huh? Just the way this works. I'm not the engineer on it, but there's a little orifice there. Anyway, once you get that all pushed back together, So you don't quite see it all, but once you get it snug back in. There we go. See? So, and then we'll clean it again.